guys, today we are going to be practicing with number lines while I am absent. But here I am on your screen, so we're going to be able to practice together. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got coming up with number lines. First, this is a watch me, so make sure that's what you're doing. All right, notice that I want to do 8 times 4 using the number line. So I'm going to start on 0, and I am going to go over 8 4 times. So I'm going to go to my 8. Now this didn't have lines on it like we practiced it the other day, but it allows me to put more numbers on there if I don't put the lines. So watch, if I make one jump right there, that gets to 8, and then I count 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives me jump number 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives me jump number 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives me jump number 4. I am jumping this way, and my answer is going to be this right here, which is 32. All right, let's try another one. All right, this one says, show using the number line 12 times 3. That means that I'm going to go over 12 3 times. So I start here at my 0, and I mark 12 because that is the first jump I'm going to make. One jump of 12, and then I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is my second jump of 12, and then I need 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my third jump of 12. I'm going this way, and so my answer is going to be 36. All right, now this is the you do part. All right, I want you to pause the video and complete the number lines 1, 2, and 3 from your sheet on your own, okay? And then start the video up again, and I'll take you the rest of the way. Okay, this is a watch me because we're going to do another thing on your sheet. So if you're looking at your sheet, you see it says write a multiplication sentence about this number. So that's that factor times a factor equals a product. So first thing I notice is that I went over 9 times, or I went over 9, all right? I went over 9, all right? I did it once. I went over 9 again, so I did it twice. And I went over 9 again, so I did it 3 times, and I landed on 27. So where you end up landing is going to be your product, which is going to be the answer to a multiplication problem. Now I did 3 jumps here. So I went over 9 3 times. So 9 times 3 is 27. Now remember, we could say 3 times 9 is 27 because it means the same thing, but right here we've just shown 3 jumps of 9. All right, so my answer is 27. All right, this is the section in which you're going to do this. So I want you to pause the video, complete the rest of the number line questions, and make sure you turn it over on the back side because there's one on the back side that is number lines as well. And then start the video back up and we'll continue. Okay, this is another watch me. So here, what I want to do is, it says, what multiplication sentence do these groups represent? So understand, whether they're in a circle or not, it doesn't matter. I'll go ahead and put them in a circle. I see that I have 4 groups. Inside each one, I have 1, 2, 3. Here's 3. 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 Now, it does not matter if I am saying 4 times 3 or 3 times 4, because I'm going to get the same answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so 4 times 3 is going to be 12, and 3 times 4 is also going to be 12. Now remember that repeated addition sentence. What repeated sentence could I write? I could say, watch, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is going to equal 12. That's a repeated addition sentence. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, this is where you're going to pause the video, and there's 2 questions about grouping, and that's what we just did with our balloons. You could do circles, grouping circles, you can group X's, whatever you want to group, but as long as you put them in groups. All right, so you're going to do this one, and then come on back and we'll finish this up. Okay, this is a watch me. All right, this watch me is talking about an array. So let's remember our strategy for an array. If you remember, we can go ahead and start numbering these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So somewhere I'm going to have a 5. All right, and then I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere I'm going to have a 4. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and count those because this is a 4 by 5 or 5 by 4. Either way you can look at it. All right, and that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So my product is going to be 20 for both of them. All right, and notice, what repeated sentence could I use? Well, if I'm looking straight down here, I could say that this is 4 plus another 4 plus another 4 plus another 4 plus another 4. All of that would equal 20. Now, the cool thing about this is I could go the other way, and I could say, well, you know what? Let's get a different color first. I could say this is 5 this way, this is 5 this way, this is 5 this way, and this is 5 this way. So I actually could say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20 also, because that means that I'm going to have 4 groups of 5. All right. Now, you need to pause the video because there are 2 questions about arrays. You might have to draw an array, or you might have to figure out what the squares are, what multiplication sentence that array gives you. Great job, guys. Now, I want to make sure your name is on your paper and you place the completed sheet. Everything's done, both the front and the back, into the finished box. I'm going to check it tomorrow, and you can complete the math challenge on the board and then go on to Dreambox. And I hope to hear really good things about your day of learning, even though I wasn't there. See you later.